Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the Silverstone Strider Gold S Series 750 watt power supply. Now it's the ST75F-GS. So that's the model number of this power supply. It's an 80 plus gold one like I just mentioned, and it's 750 watts, so let's unbox it. I guess first thing, it is fully modular as well, which I'm a huge fan of, especially when it comes to the power connectors. Sometimes you need that extra little bit of, what's the word for it? You just need, having the power connectors separate means that you can plug that in before even putting the power supply into the case. So having that little bit of extra play with it, I think, it really comes in handy. All right, so here's the actual unit itself. We'll get straight to the meat and potatoes. Throw this over here. All right. So you've got your standard grill at the back there, power connector, power point, or power switch, I should say, all your specs and all that sort of thing there about your rails. You can pause it if you need to and just check that out. This is in 4K, so you should be able to read that. And on the back, we've got all the modular connections. So they're actually, everything except for the power, which obviously you're going to use, has little protectors in it, which is really cool. The PCIe 8-pin ones are blue there. I'll just pull one out so you can see it. There we go. Just so, like, if you're dealing in a dark case, you can see the difference between the blue ones and the black ones, which I like. Sometimes it's a little bit hard, especially when they're all the same color. You don't know which ones you're dealing with. So, yeah, really good. It's really solid. What else have we got in here? Oh, some of the things that were on top. We've got warranty information there. We've got, I'm not sure, that one's in Chinese, I believe. And then you've got the Gold Series manual. And it just goes through, what do we got there? So DC out and all that sort of thing. All the figures there that you'd want to know if you're really into your power. And a couple of safety instructions there as well. Standard, really. So let's open up, let's see what the cable sitch is like. So we've got your standard 3-pin power there. What else have we got? We've got some cable ties as well as Velcro cable ties and some thumb screws. Really cool. So we've got, there's the standard ATX power, and then you've got all your PCIe power as well as your SATA and 4-pin old IDE connectors. So that's really cool. And what's this one in here? Okay, so this is a guided instructions there with pictures in there. Cool. So that's pretty much it. That's the Silverstone ST75F-GS power supply from Silverstone. Like I mentioned, it's a 750 watt gold rated power supply. And there it is again. It's fully modular. So if you are looking to see this one in an actual build, you can follow me over on the TechWizTime channel. Over there, I'm actually going to be constructing this in one of Silverstone cases that they've sent out to me. It's actually a really cool case. It's the RL08. I can see it being a pretty popular build. So make sure you subscribe over on the TechWizTime channel if you're viewing this video over here. But if you're interested in quick unboxings and just general chit chat from me, then definitely subscribe over here because I will have more videos like this coming real soon. All right, thanks guys. See you next time.